Welcome to Tech to Arts Kitty. With my new phone I also bought the Jabra Elite4 Active wireless headset, earbuds. They can last up to 7 hours of battery. There's active noise cancellation and adjustable hear-through, so you can talk to people while you still have them on, and noise cancellation is on. There's not much I can say about it. I need to test them first, and then we'll now unbox them, and then I'll test, and then I'll come back to you later, because I don't know what the sound is like. Haven't tried them yet. Let's see what's in the box first and foremost. You have the charger case, if it's one of the charge case with the earbuds in. They're blue. That was the color they had, and it's a very dark blue. It's hard to see the blue color really, so almost black. And you have different earbuds, so you have what you need. There's a charger cable, but USB-C of course, like standard these days. At least if you live in the European Union, it's standard. You have different sizes of earbuds you can put on, so it can fit your ear. And there's some safety and a quick start guide. And thanks for watching. I'll get back to you when I've tested it a few weeks.